Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If I haven't had the pleasure of meeting you yet, my name is Bella. I'm the lead nutritionist and recipe developer here at Metabolic Living. Today we are going to be making a sugar cookie in record time. It's fluffy, it's high in protein, it's low in carbs, it's free of junk, it's delicious, and it even contains those healthy sprinkles. I mean, what more could you want from a sugar cookie? All you've got to do is grab a mug, some low-carb pantry staples, and all you need is 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. How easy was that? I mean, almost dangerously easy, am I right? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our Metabolic Living YouTube channel. Also go ahead and follow us on social media. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and even Twitter. We do post content all the time and we would hate for you guys to miss out. Thanks so much for swinging by. I hope you enjoy your sugar cookie in a mug, and I will see you all very, very soon for another absolutely delicious and healthy recipe.